Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A26. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A36 and now you want to make a hard reset of your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or another Samsung device via any wire, and after connecting them, you just have to do a setup. You can easily do it on your lock screen or home screen. So for this you just have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up button to enter the phone BIOS. So let's see how. Just do this. Press volume down and power button at the same time and then hold it just like this and wait for your screen when it goes black. So just wait for it. It will take a while, and then shift your volume down to your volume up button and it will open your phone BIOS. Just wait for this logo and then release the buttons, and after that you will get the phone BIOS just like this. After that you will get this type screen, and here your touch won't work. You will have to use these three buttons to do a setup, and here you have to select the wipe data factory reset. So let's see how can you select, because there's touch doesn't work. You just need to press volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and press the power button to select. So let's see how. Just select wipe data factory reset option and then press the power button to select the option, and here select factory data reset and then press the power button. And after doing that you just have to select the first option, which is reboot system now. Just select that and then press the power button. In this way your phone will be power off and it will power on again, and that's how you can easily make hard reset of your device. It will delete everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps, your accounts. So after doing that you will get a fresh new startup of your phone. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.